Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I'll show you how to download and install Android Republic to your Android TV. If you find the video helpful, please like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So what I'm about to show you should work on your Android TV, Android TV box or Google TV. So what you need to do is that on your Android TV, go over to your downloader and here's mine over here. For you, if you don't have downloader, check the description of this video. I've added a guide to help you get downloader. After installing downloader, just go ahead and launch it. Once you're here, type in this code 33547. So 33547, and once you type in the code, just go ahead and click go or launch. And what this is going to do is that it is going to redirect you to a web page of the Android Republic. So Android Republic is a page or app store where you can install applications to your Android TV. So it's androidrepublic.org/portal/. So just wait for it to redirect and then you can use it fully on your Android TV using downloader, and this is how it looks like. So you can create an account or you can log in and you can take out your time to browse through to understand it. If you found the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, share for more important videos like this.